Hello everyone, welcome to my web development course. In this lesson, I will teach you CSS3. The first topic we will tackle is background and commenting. First, go to your desktop, create a new folder, name it as CSS3. Then go to your notepad and type HTML, head, body, HTML. Then save it in desktop. Name it as CSS HTML. First, we will change the background color. Type here style and body background color. I will use green and save it and run it. And it's working. Next, I will teach you how to put images in the background. First, go to your desktop, copy the images in your HTML folder, and any images do you want to use. Yeah. Next, go to your code and type here background image URL a.jpg. Then save it. Run refresh your browser and it's working. That's it. Oops. Next, I will teach you how to comment in CSS. This is the CSS commenting line. That's it. See you guys in my next lesson. Thank you.